Cut across the top and the bottom, like so, and then literally just V it out. Now what we would do in the restaurant is chop that up and put that in the pineapple fried rice. What our staff tend to do is eat it when the chef's not around. And then to get the awkward bit out, the core in the middle, all you want to do is go in halfway either side and pull it out. We use this in our desserts. Nothing goes to waste. And then the pineapple fried rice will literally just sit inside the pineapple. Like so. And then just to finish it, a little bit of ground fried fish. Give it a nice bit of authenticity at the end. Change the serving dish because I've made an absolute mess of that. And if my boss saw me doing that, he'd probably sack me. Oh, I edit.